Hey subbies! I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 editing tips to make your videos become absolutely out of this world amazing because of these amazing tips. Before I get into it, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the awesome uploads that I have to share with each and every one of you sensational subbies, and check out my Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. I love using my MacBook Air. It is the best all-in-one device that I've ever used. I love that it's a wonderful video recording device, so I can record my videos right from my MacBook Air's webcam to then edit right on the amazing, incredible iMovie that makes editing a breeze. And I love that it also plays The Sims 4 sensationally, and it is very lightweight, so it is portable to be able to carry anywhere you want to go. And I also really love using my Kindle Fire HD. It makes it a wonderful experience to be able to listen to audiobooks or to read ebooks in bed or on the go, because as soon as you download your ebooks over Wi-Fi, you can enjoy them on the go whether or not you have Wi-Fi access, because the books are saved onto your device. How cool is that? Let's get into these editing tips and tricks that I can't wait to share with each and every one of you. Let's go. Tip number 1, edit out pauses. It makes for a more enjoyable and interesting video where there aren't pauses of silence to keep the audience interested. That is an amazing tip because silence creates tension. It makes it uninteresting, so you want to keep things moving and motivating, and by there not being pauses, it keeps the viewers engaged and interested, which is what you want. Tip number 2, use transitions between your clips, making things more interesting because of the things that are moving and changing. Transitions are a wonderful thing to use in YouTube videos. You can have clips fade in, fade out, spin in, spin out. It makes things interesting because things are moving. And with videos, people have always been attracted to movement, like a cat with a laser light. Same concept. Include calls to action to remind viewers of things you want them to do. For example, to follow you on social media or to subscribe and hit the notification bell. With these wonderful tips, it keeps viewers interested because it gives them more of a reason to watch more of your content and to continue to enjoy the current videos because of things that are happening and them having reasons to do so provided by the content creator. And I also recommend, after your videos are uploaded to YouTube, hit the Creator Studio button and go into the left-hand side all the way down, and you'll see Creator Studio Classic. If you click on that, and then you'll hit skip when it asks what there could be to be improved on. I find that's the easiest way for me to get to the section where I can then add the iCards that I put up in the corners of my videos that'll suggest videos or remind YouTubers that are watching of polls that I'll be doing, or even just to simply subscribe to my channel so they don't miss out on future videos. Those iCards are an extremely helpful tip to be able to make your videos even more amazing and enjoyable. You can also experiment with different movie editors because each one can offer or specialize in new and helpful features. For example, I use iMovie and I love the transitions it offers and how it can also autocorrect the lighting in the clips for better viewing experience and more professionalism. And I love that all of those features can be found in this wonderful free iMovie program that comes on all of the Apple products, MacBooks, iMacs, MacBook Pros, iPads. So you can always have the 5-star editing experience on any of your Apple devices. So you can always edit on the go and enjoy the content you've come to know and love from the awesome Apple company. The final tip that I have is to use overlays. They can make things outstanding because it adds interesting elements to your videos, such as using a subscribe button or photos. So when you're mentioning products, such as for your Amazon affiliate links, people can also see what the products are that you're referring to. And I found the best way to do that is if you have photos there that you want to appear on screen, open up a brand new iMovie project, add the photo onto the timeline and have it line up for the duration there that you're wanting the clip to play for, and hit the share button, click on file, and you're going to be saving that video file to your desktop to then add it to your YouTube video there that you're editing. So then when you add that onto the clip there that you're wanting it to play as, hit the overlapping squares that's up in the top right corner of the editor, and it'll say green/blue screen. Click on that, and then you will see the clip show up perfectly on your screen, so you can have some interesting visual aids to play while you're explaining Amazon affiliate link products or wanting to share pictures with your audience. It is a wonderful tip and trick that really takes your videos from boring to beautiful. I hope these tips and tricks have really helped you. I know I've really enjoyed learning about them throughout the years of wanting to improve my content and to make my editing even more excellent. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below some of your favorite editing tips and tricks that you use when you edit your YouTube videos. Make sure before you go you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of this awesome content. And check out my Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. I love using my MacBook Air. It is an amazing all-in-one device. It comes with a beautiful camera to be able to record your YouTube videos right from the computer itself, and then it also comes with an incredible editing software known as iMovie that makes it super simple and also yields professional results when it comes to editing your YouTube videos. And I also really love that it plays the sensational game The Sims 4 absolutely seamlessly. But what I love most though is its portability, so I can enjoy using it anywhere on the go, whether I'm on an airplane, whether I'm at the library. Anywhere I go, this goes. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media. My Twitter's Comedy Addict, my Instagram's Comedy Creation. Can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies.